The PS fast food box production line is a modern manufacturing system that integrates the injection molding technology as its core along with raw material processing, automated injection molding, automatic part removal, cooling and conveying, and automatic stacking and counting. Its core objective is to achieve high efficiency, high consistency, low cost, and large-scale automated production of PS fast food boxes. Although it remains the mainstream production method, under the trend of environmental protection, the production line is gradually adapting to the demands of degradable and recyclable materials, and continuously evolving towards intelligence, energy conservation, and flexibility. This forming and cutting incorporated machine designed by our company is all-powerful. The main way is vacuum forming as well as press forming and synthetical forming. It can be used for forming cans of plastic sheet. This machine adopts PLC control. It has group possesses reliable stability, large forming area, high production, and automatic degree. The machine can mainly forming the PSP material BL, which is used to produce food container, tray bowl, cup, etc. Forming, cutting, stacking are done in the same machine, saving labor, improving efficient, lowering labor intensity, and reducing production cost. Production process is to put foam sheet into forming machine, and product and wastage will come out from the rear part.